Here's more about Chinese Southern Belle's diverse offerings. We have 3 family recipe cooking sauces made with fresh, natural ingredients. We offer fun, interactive, hands-on cooking classes and in-office health and wellness demos with no kitchen needed. We host an annual Chinese Lunar New Year's cultural banquet and offer custom culinary tours like shopping in an Asian supermarket or exploring eateries along Buford Highway's International Corridor. And if you're in Atlanta, give us a holler.